protecting your tap water at the kitchen sink, either with a point of use filter or one of those Brita filters, it's no longer enough. Now, contaminants run through all these plumbing pipes. They come out of your faucet, they come out of your shower, they come out of the appliances that you use at home, and that's some of the things that you got to consider when choosing a whole house filter. Without a whole house filter, you could be filling a pot, cooking spaghetti, you could be doing laundry, you could be doing a lot of things, all with the organic stuff that's in the water, which can cause your home, your clothing, even your health issues. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look today at what a whole house filter, because I get a lot of videos or a lot of requests through YouTube that says, I don't know what that means. So I want to be able to show you guys what is a whole house filter. What that means is basically wherever the water meter is at your house, if you're in the southern states of America, it's outside. If it's in areas where the air freezes and get really cold, like Chicago, it's probably going to be the basement of your house. So wherever the water meter is, that's where the government is tracking how many gallons of water you use so they can charge your wallet. That's probably where we want to install a whole house filter. And what we're doing is we want to take a look at what type of different filters there are. There's these two kind of tanks, one to take out the rock, one to take out the chlorine. This is a really good one EcoWater has. It's got both carbon and resin in it because we want to be able to capture the stuff that's in the water so that you don't have to shower in it. You don't have to bathe in it. You don't have to take a bath in it. You don't have to have your clothes washing in it. I mean, we do these great demonstrations and where we literally take a washcloth and your washcloth, we put it in clean water, then we rinse it out, and it comes gray and dirty. Well, then you go do your laundry. Why are you adding bleach? When you're using soap, shouldn't that take everything out? Well, we use bleach to clean up the dirt that's been in the plumbing. See, when you have a water droplet, you can't even see the dirt. You can't see the grime. It's all in liquid form, but it's there. What's great about a whole house filter is sort of like this. This is a mini version of it, and you can see how black that is in there. What that is called carbon. Carbon has teeth. Now, high-grade water systems are going to use catalytic carbon, and some other ones will use regular carbon. But sometimes you'll come over here, let's take a look at some of these. You'll find in and out filters like this that are sold online. But our dilemma with some of those is that if you notice, there's nothing to clean itself, right? It means basically, I'm going to have to take this filter, unscrew it, put a new canister on, and go back and do it again. So yeah, they can cost you a few $100s, and you can think, wow, that's a great deal. But the dilemma there is that all of these, there's no way that they clean themselves. So whatever they capture, where's it going to go? So that's really a big thing, right? That's why I love getting a system that has a backwashing feature, especially on carbon. And EcoWater makes their ERR series called their refiner, and they have another IDP line that does a very similar thing, where the carbon and resin both capture the junk out of the water. Now, to me, that's really important. That's just like those are. But on the back of these, let's take a peek at it. Actually, this is a better one for you. You can see that there is a drain line. If you come in here, this is a drain line that's going to actually go down and get flushed down into, we tie it into a drain in the basement of the house. And so every day, or not really every day, but every few days, it's going to flush itself, and it's basically going to stir up all this stuff and all the little particles that it grabbed out of the water. It's going to rinse down the drain. So that's why they will last years and years and years compared to months and months and months, right? So yes, you have to just do your own determination. Is this my forever home? Probably this guy. If you're going to be there for a year, you may be an apartment dweller, then that might be the better situation for you. And again, what we're looking for is good, high-quality American-made carbon or Centaur carbon or catalytic carbon, because that's going to help take out the ammonia side. So you got to do a little research. Does your city use chloramines? We want catalytic carbon or Calgon carbon for that. Centaur carbon for that. Or B, if it's regular chlorine, then you can get away with standard like coconut shell carbon. So hopefully this helps you educate just a little bit about why smart homeowners today are getting themselves whole house water filtration. Now, if you like this video, please click like, please share this with your friends and family. We'd be totally grateful for that. Join our, subscribe to our channel. And lastly, if you need any help, you can always contact us at 847-382-7800. You can also see us on the web at angelwater.com. We help people all over the country, even over the world. We've had people from Africa and South America reach out to us, so we're happy to help you out any way we can, because as I hope you know and I hope you remember that my name is Drew, and we love to serve you.